नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 21. क्वेश्चन नंबर 21 आपसे पूछ रहा है, फिश टेस्ट इज यूज टू चेक द प्रेजेंस ऑफ विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ सॉइल. सो सॉइल में फिश टेस्ट हम किस कंपोनेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. सो कार्बोनेट, जिप्सम, ऑर्गेनिक मैटर और ऑक्साइड. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है कार्बोनेट. सो कार्बोनेट को टेस्ट करने के लिए, कार्बोनेट के प्रेजेंस के लिए फिश टेस्ट किया जाता है. नाउ फिश टेस्ट इन्वॉल्व्स एडिंग फ्यू ड्रॉप्स ऑफ डाइल्यूट एसिड such as हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड टू द सॉइल सैंपल. हम क्या करेंगे, सॉइल सैंपल में हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड ऐड करेंगे. इफ कार्बोनेट्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द सॉइल, द एसिड रिएक्ट्स विद देम टू प्रोड्यूस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस. ठीक है, जो ये गैस है वो क्या करती है, ये गैस प्रोड्यूस होती है बेसिकली सॉइल के साथ. अगर कार्बोनेट प्रेजेंट है सॉइल में तो वो रिएक्ट करती है और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस क्रिएट करेगी, विच कॉजेज अ फिजिंग एंड बबलिंग रिएक्शन. दिस रिएक्शन इज अ क्विक एंड सिंपल वे टू टेस्ट द प्रेजेंस ऑफ कार्बोनेट मिनरल्स इन द सॉइल. ठीक है, सो फिश टेस्ट इज फॉर कार्बोनेट. Next question number 22. The three basic hair types that are present on the human body are classified as vellus, intermediate and branched, terminal, bulged and signed. So इसका correct answer क्या है, इसका correct answer है option 2. terminal type of hair भी third type hair में आते हैं. The three basic hair types are present on human body is known as vellus hairs, intermediate hair and terminal hair. जो terminal hair होता है उसका characteristic feature होता है thick, long and pigmented hair that is found in the scalp, eyebrow and other prominent body parts such as pubic hairs. Vellus hairs is very fine, soft, unpigmented hair that covers the body, while intermediate hair is a transitional hair from vellus to terminal hair. ठीक है, so transitional stage का hair होता है. ठीक, let's move to the next question number 23. The diameter of medulla in human is largest in case of newborn children, middle-aged person and old-aged person. So सबसे करेक्ट आंसर है न्यूबॉर्न्स. जो न्यूबॉर्न्स होते हैं उनमें जो मेड्यूलरी इंडेक्स होता है, ratio of the diameter of the medulla to the diameter of hair shaft is known as medullary index. It is generally higher. That means medulla takes up the longer proportion of the hair diameter that is compared to the other age groups. As individual ages, the medullary index tend to decreases. ठीक है, okay. Let's move to the next question number 23. Which chemical phenomena or method is used to make tough glass, which is a type of safety glass? Non-template adylation, ion exchange, electrophoresis and electroplating. तो इसका correct answer क्या है, ion exchange. Option 2 is the correct option. Now, ion exchange is a process used to strengthen glass. This method involves replacing smaller sodium ions in the glass with larger potassium ions by immersing the glass in the bath of molten potassium nitrate. The larger potassium ion creates a layer of larger potassium ion creates a layer of compression on the glass surface, which makes the glass much tougher and more resistant to damage. This toughened glass is often referred as chemically strengthened glass or any glass which is known as safety glass. Okay. Next question number 24. A regular pulse to pulse variation in amplitude with every second pulse being considerably weaker is called idiosyncratic expressions, phalansto, diplophonia and phonation. So इसका correct answer है option 3. Option 3 is correct for the given question. Now diplophonia is the condition where the voice simultaneously produces two different type of pitches, often resulting in a regular pulse to pulse variation in amplitude with every second pulse being considerably weaker. This can cause a perception of two different pitches at the same time due to irregular vibration of the vocal cords, of the vocal folds. Okay. Next question number 25. Resonance frequency in the vocal tract determined by the shapes and volumes of different cavities of the tract, which is known as fundamental frequency, voice disguise, formats and rhythms. So इसका correct answer है formats. Formats are the Formats are the resonant frequency of the vocal tract that shape the sound of the voice. They are critical in defining the unique qualities of vowel sounds and contributes significantly to speech intelligibility and individual vocal characteristics. Okay. Upon abduction with the correct tension, the vocal cords vibrate when subeglottical pressure is supplied by lungs. This vocal cord vibration. Next question number 26. Upon abduction with the correct tension, the vocal cords vibrate when subeglottal pressure is supplied by lungs. This vocal cord vibration is called as pitch, nasalized sound, glottis, and voicing. So the correct answer for this question is voicing. Now, voicing refers to the vibration of the vocal cords when air is pushed up from the lungs and it comes through glottis. Now, this vibration is essential for producing voice sounds, which are fundamental aspects of human speech. Next question number 27. A tire tread can be individualized to a particular tire because tire travel at a higher speed, increased friction at the point of contact, tires support more weight than it does to footwear. Tire tread picks up increased number of details with time and use. So correct answer is option 4. The tire treads can be individualized on a particular tire because as a tire it used over time, it acquires unique wear and tear patterns, unique cuts, nicks, and embedded debris. Now these characteristics can be used to match tire tread impressions that is found at a crime scene to a specific tire that provides individual evidence which is similar to fingerprints that we use. Next question number 28. Which one of the following statement is not correct statement? Lack of sufficient amount of the known writing is most common deficiency to reach at a qualified opinion. Standards written under a very difficult circumstances from a question material emits the examiner to reach a defined opinion. Yes. A defines yes or no answer does not preclude by wide differences between dates of the standards and disputed material written during severe illness. The task of maintaining an effective disguise grows more difficult with each additional word. Yes. So all these options seems correct. Option 4 भी correct ही sound कर रहा है. Option 2 is correct as well. Option 1 is also correct. एक option बच रहा है which is not correct, जिसका कोई सिर पैर समझ में नहीं आ रहा, and that is option 3. So let's just consider option 3 is the correct option for this question. Inconsistency in letter forms and tremors used of alternate letter and forms used to change the meaning. Lack of fluency are the characteristic commonly associated with which of the following? So it is associated with disguise. Now disguise in handwriting refers to deliberate alterations which is made by a person to their natural handwriting style in order to appear different or mimic other person's handwriting or to conceal the identification of own self. Now inconsistency in letter forms, tremors, used of alternate letter forms, use of different forms, lack of fluency, type of typical signs, and that indicates the attempts to disguise. That's why option 3 is the correct option. Okay.